Alright, give this one a go. See what you can make of it. Try it out. I'm gonna do it now. Here we go. So we're looking for a type of damping, a damping response. And we have a second order non-homogeneous differential equation, right? It's a little bit of a tricky one if you don't know what to do. But if you know that these forms can be found with just the complementary equation, then it's really simple. So first we have to put this in the complementary form. And that would just mean setting this value over here to 0. And we can do that because we're only worried about the general form and the general solution, I guess you could say. We're not really worried about the particular solution of the problem because we're just worried about the damping response. And the damping response can be, the whole story of the damping response is basically told right here. Okay? So we can now move into our, I think it's called the characteristic form. I don't know exactly what it's called, but you basically substitute your orders of derivative for values of r with varying orders themselves. Degrees of polynomial, I guess I should say. It's a better term. Equals 0. No way to factor this. We will use the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root. B squared is 36 minus 4 times the coefficient here is 1 times the coefficient here is 25. All over 2. So our form, well, let me finish this real quick. 6 over 2 plus or minus square root 36. 4 times 25 is 100. Okay. Looking at the differential equation section of the FE handbook, you will see the different forms that these equations can take. And when this value here is less than this value here, we have an underdamped system. And we also have a certain equation for that, general solution for that, but we're not concerned with that here. We're just worried. So we're just worried with this. So since 36, I believe this would be b squared. I think the book uses a squared. They call this the a term and this the b term. I just used the traditional ABC. But since b squared is less than, this is a b, by the way, it's not a 6, is less than 4ac, system is underdamped. And that's your answer, boys and girls. Underdamped. Quick and easy problem if you know what to do.